Hello there, and welcome to this mini test in Year 10 GCSE Maths. Let's have a look at question 10 as an example. So in the expression given below, what is the value of y when x equals -2? So remember that x stands for -2. So let's just write this down first of all. So our first step will be 2x squared minus x. Now let's input this -2 first of all. So now first of all, I'm just going to do this here, this particular equation using BODMAS, the brackets. So we're going to square the number first because there are no brackets. And order of operation, which is O, that stands for working out any square numbers. So working out square numbers, we'll do -2 times -2, okay? So x squared stands for -2 multiply -2. Now the two minuses cancel each other out, and 2 times 2 becomes 4. So we have here now 2 times 4 minus x. Now, what's 2 times 4? So 2 times 4 will become 8 minus x, but again, x stands for -2. So we'll just put a -2 there as well. Now, the two minuses, if the two minuses are next to each other, that means you add. So then 8 add 2, and that gives us an answer of 10. So in this case, 10 will be our final answer. Good luck with the rest of the questions. They're a mixture of indices and algebraic questions put together. And try your best, and we'll review these in our next lesson. Good luck. Take care.